Sometimes I doubt myself, but I don't want to do some things that made me feel this things is not meaningful and make me feel unhappy. Now, for example, now I want to study English and I can feel making progress every day. I'm happy. I don't waste my time. When I learning English, I also do housework. I also cooking for my family. I also try my best work for people and provide good service to them. I don't feel I'm wasting time.
You are your own worst critic. Everyone overanalyzes, overthinks. It happens. But something to think about. You have so many responsibilities. You have so many different roles you have to play. You have a daughter to look after. You have a husband. You're trying your best. You're trying to get your doctor's degree. But at the same time, if I were to give you more advice, don't compare yourself to others. Don't compare your journey to others, or don't compare major accomplishments and attach that to certain age. Sometimes you're thinking, oh, well, at this age, I should have that. At this age, I should have this. Everyone is going through their own journey. Everyone's journey is unique. You don't need to attach and compare certain phases of your life to others because you're not them. They aren't you. When we compare ourselves, it's not healthy for our minds. Just do your best. Focus on yourself.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?